This is 2.3, the very first part, continuation of solving equations with additional steps. So first you want to undo the addition and the subtraction. Then you want to combine terms if needed, and then eliminate the variable on one side of the equation if necessary. In other words, if there's a variable on both sides of the equation, then we're going to have to eliminate one of them. And then undo the multiplication and division. An example of that is negative 5y plus 3 equals 33. So we get rid of the addition here. The negative 3 on both sides, negative 5y equals 30. Then we divide both sides, not by 5, but by negative 5, so that the y will become positive. So negative 5 divided by 5, negative 5 is y, and 30 divided by negative 5 is our answer, 6. Okay, and one that's a little more complicated. We have to do the operations first. In this case, it's the distributive rule. So 3 times 2y becomes 6y. 3 times a minus 3 is minus 9. Minus y equals 8. So undoing the addition and subtraction, we would add 9 to both sides first. Then we would get 6y minus y, and that's the same as 1y, equals 17. So 5y then equals 17. Divide both sides by 5, and you get y equals 17/5. The next one deals with fractions. I'm sure it's everybody's favorite, but we're going to run into this a lot. So 1/28 x minus 5/7 equals 3/4. We have the three denominators, 28, 7, and 4. And so the least common denominator is 28. So if we multiply every term by 28, we will eliminate all the fractions. So when we multiply the 1/28 x times 28, we get down nicely to our x. And then the next one, we multiply by the 28/1, and we get negative 20. And the next one's 4 will go into 28 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21. Add 20 to both sides, and we get our answer, x equals 41.